Do you want to see what a recording setup looks like at a content marketing retreat and how we do it? The first thing I start with is making sure we've got a nice little setting behind us here. So that is the plan. I'm going to take you for a tour around the room very, very shortly. What we start with is we actually start with our scripts. So like everyone else, I have my videos scripted and I have them prompted out here for me. Now you can use an audio prompter if you want to, but ideally what I tend to do is just look at my notes and make my tablet part of my video. Yeah, you could do that. You can make your notes and your tablet part of your video. So then we're delving into having different formats. So we've got the tripod that this camera is currently sitting on. I then have things like this, which is our phone that we've got in there to be able to record some short form stuff. And now let me take you up with me as I show you the rest of the room. So the room is a hotel room. It is a bed and it's part of how we get all set up here. Now I have studio lights in place here, and then we come over here to where our recording space is. So we've got one chair set up with a plant, which is nice, that is uniform for most people. We do have another studio set up today, which is actually a short form one, which has artwork behind it where people are able to record in that format. So then you'll see things here like are on the bed. And on the bed, we have a series of jackets, scarves, things that we'll be able to use and change out throughout the day. So when you're looking at creating your batch content, I'm hoping that the video that I've got for you here that shows you what it's like behind when we're recording will help you. I include things like making sure I've got my content decks, like making sure I've got my books so that I can include it along the way to help make sure that I am subtly putting in the promotion that I need to put in for each one of the events. So if you want to join us at a content marketing retreat, this is just a little bit of a behind the scenes of what it looks like. If you're looking at creating your own studio, try and get yourself some good lighting, get yourself a nice backup, make sure it's neutral so that if you want to put any text over it, things like this white wall are really handy. You can logo overlay, do all of those sorts of things, and just get out there and share your message. I'm Linda Reed-Enever. I'm an ideas and impact strategist. I help you understand what we do, and I help you create impact by teaching you what we do.